folks from around the world. It's Trades of the Day. I trust you are doing wonderful. Let's talk markets. And before I do that, I'm going to hop in and give you guys a day trade that I took. Pretty pitiful, but it was profitable. Also on Boeing. So I lost one 2 days ago on Boeing and won a little bit back, trying to get some more back if possible. All right, let's go check out some trades of the day. Here's weed, W-E-E-D, smoking. It is up 5.5%. Folks, we are wrecking this trade. Wrecking it in a good way. 51.28 is the target. Next on the list, we have Home Depot and HPE. So here's Home Depot, and it's trying to bounce, so keep it up. And Hewlett-Packard Enterprise also is bouncing. Just look to exit this one. I'm going to go ahead and close this one out on the worksheets as of today's close. If you want to hold, you're more than welcome to. I'm not personally. I've already got stopped out, moved my stop. I just can't remember precisely at what price that was. So I'm just going to close it out at 15.42. 15.42 at the close of today, and make that 270. All right. So I did lose on Hewlett-Packard. That's about how much I lost. So it works. BIB on the other hand, check this bad boy out. Beautiful little retest of that retest gap. I like it. Next on the list, we got QD. And QD, the market was churning and burning today on QD. Made a little bit of a higher high and a higher low. I dig that. Hoping for it to break above the 50. I'm going to do my best to continue to hold this one and see what she can do. Next on the list is Deutsche Bank, ticker symbol DB. And that one is down a little bit today. So we have moved up the stop on that. Probably going to get stopped out, and that's going to cause, most likely, the markets to falter a little bit, seeing Deutsche Bank trade down lower like that. Then we got Roku and TGOD. So the green organic Dutchman, believe it or not, didn't have a gorgeous move today. I expected it, but it did not. Roku, R-O-K-U, with most of the market was also down today. But again, we got our stops in place. We've peeled off some profits. We're in a really good position, even if the market does have a dramatic pullback. Pivotal Software, PVTL. So again, the market was down relatively decently today, and I kind of like the lower shadow that we got. So fingers crossed for a bounce on Pivotal as that 10 comes up. Just doing our best to hold through this one. Here's the hourly and the 10 EMA. Very pretty pennant pattern. So we'll see what happens on Pivotal. Here's Stryker, SYK. And Stryker, with the markets, a little bit of a sell-off at one point, but I like the lower shadow. So far, looks pretty good. Here's HMI, and HMI was up nicely today. So again, very good bounce there. That's pretty. So we're up on that. BABA. So here's BABA, and BABA sank hard today. We didn't get stopped out, at least not yet, but definitely not the candle that I wanted to see on BABA. So a little sad about that, but hey, if we get stopped out, lose small, win big. That's the point. And VIPs, of course, VIP shops did not trigger that 1169 stop limit. So VIPS still in, looks even better. I like it. All right. Next trade, we're actually going to do a put sale. This is one that we've traded before, but we're going to do a Carvana put sale for this trade. This is in your broker selling to open. It does require margin unless you have a cash secured put, which means you have to have the money to actually buy the shares. So that's something that's important to keep in mind. If you don't want to do this put sale, you by no means have to, but it is for July. I do like the fact that it expires relatively soon. All of these have gone, and finally some volatility is coming back. By the way, look at that, folks. July Facebook put sale. Oh man, Facebook is crushing. So it's been a bit since we've done a put sale, but I'm glad that some volatility is kind of coming back in. So we can put 6, today's the 21st, 2018, CVNA, short put 30, and I'm looking for, on this one, 70 cents. 70 cents, and that's going to be a July 20th. It's a naked put, and I'll put that right there. And we'll see if and when that fills over the next 2 or 3 days. But, you know, we already played Carvana bullishly. We did really well on it, so that's exciting. And, you know, let's try another put sale, right? If we put some shares down here, worse things have happened, of course, but that's going to be the next trade. And for tomorrow, I would suggest certainly keeping your eye on Darden Restaurants. We'll be keeping our eyes on Darden Restaurants along with FLT here at Trades of the Day to see exactly if and when these bad boys can pull back. So that's just kind of like a quick review of those. All right, my friends, thanks so much for tuning in. You got your Trades of the Day. Exciting things. Hope you're just absolutely crushing this with me. Man, oh man, it feels good to be this green. All right, folks, I'll see you later. Bye.